welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels. I'll be doing a moisturizing and detangling tutorial today. My daughter, as you can see here, had box braids in her hair. I'll be taking it down on camera, well, some of it, and I'll be showing you how I moisturize and detangle her hair as I go along. So what I usually do, all these box braids that have built up dirt and product and so forth, oil and all that stuff, I usually just kind of loosen the roots by parting it, pulling it apart. And in my experience, when I do this before washing, it's better and it's easier for me to wash her hair. If I don't pull her hair apart in the roots, when I trench it with water and decide to wash her hair, it gets even more tangled. So it's better for me to loosen her roots and loosen the hair before I actually trench her hair in water and apply the shampoo. What I usually do, I usually kind of just spray a little water in the roots so that it can be a little softer for when I'm pulling the hair apart with my fingers. And then I'm going to use the comb and detangle, kind of pre-detangle her hair in order to wash it. It makes it easier and softer while I detangle it, and then I just put them in twists and do this on each section of her hair. So like I said, just use your fingers and detangle before you actually put the comb in your hair, especially if you're tender-headed. This helps the process to be easier before you actually use the comb. And when you're finally combing the hair, try to hold the base of the hair so you won't rip your hair out, and it helps to kind of focus on the ends before you pull it all the way through the hair. I'll be using Aussie line shampoo and conditioner line, and I washed her hair off camera. So right now I'm going to just kind of detangle it all over again, because when I washed it, I took it out the 4 parts that I had it in. Now I'm about to put it back in 4 parts, partition it in 4 parts, and I'm going to detangle it with the conditioner all over again. So just apply a generous amount of conditioner and kind of rub it through, and then use the comb and detangle it, comb it through as easy as you can. Aussie is a good line to use. It makes your hair really soft, and it's like a lot of slip. It makes it really easy to use your fingers and to comb it out and detangle it as easy as possible. This shouldn't be hard to do, especially with children, because most children, their scalp is very tender. So Aussie is one of a good line to use to do this process. So just comb it out as easy as you can. Don't pull the hair. You got to be gentle with your hair, because if you keep pulling your hair, you're actually pulling out the hair out your head. It's not like, oh, combing it and it's dead hair coming out. No, you're pulling out your hair. Okay, so just be easy and detangle it as easy as you can, and then just kind of put it in a twist I usually do big twists. And just do this like 3 more times, okay? So after you detangle the hair and put 4 twists, big twists in each side of her head, what I did was wash her hair out off camera, and I'm going to moisturize her hair with my coconut oil cream, okay, and my Blue Magic grease for her scalp and for her hair shaft as well. It's really good. I always use these products on her hair. It's very good. So her hair sucks it all up. I also use it on my hair as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do small twists in her hair, and I usually keep these twists in for like maybe a week or 2. This is another type of protective style that is really good. So I'm going to just apply the Blue Magic all over her hair, and I'm going to kind of do like, you know, box braids, but not braids, twists. And I'm going to oil her scalp, and I'm going to use my coconut cream butter through her hair shaft and kind of work it in, and comb it and just twist it up. So this is what I usually do on my daughter's hair whenever I have to wash it, and then I put it right back in a twist or a protective style, and I keep it in for like maybe 2 to 3 weeks depending on how busy I am. And as you can see, her twist came out very juicy and very moisturized, and sometimes I take it out and let her wear a twist out, or I just leave it in. I hope you liked this video. I hope I taught you something. I hope you learned something. Please like, give me a thumbs up, comment if you like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And thank you so much for coming and watching my tutorial today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys another time.